The first reason why America is the most powerful country in the world is the US military. America has one of the largest armed force in the world. Although the US military does not have the biggest army in terms of personnel, it is the strongest with the biggest defense budget in the world. And the size of the US economy is another reason why America is so powerful. America has the world's largest economy. By far, it makes up nearly a quarter of the entire world economy. Because of the size of the US economy, it dominates global trade, finance, and international business. Being the largest economy in the world gives America immense power. America has some of the world's largest and most important business, which is one of the primary reasons for its power. America has some of the biggest and most valuable companies by market cap in the world. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, and Coca-Cola are just few of the world leading companies. Business such as these have enormous worldwide market. So in the world of business, the United States lead the world. And the size of the US population is the third reason why America is such a powerful country. America is the third most populous country in the world. It has around 336 million inhabitants. Having a large population help a country enormously. It enable the country to build a larger economy and a large army and a more productive workforce. Another reason America is the most powerful country in the world is the power of the US dollar. The US dollar is the world leading currency. Many countries keep it as reserve as backup for their currency. An estimated 61% of the world foreign banks hold currency reserve in the US dollar, and the majority of international trades for goods and services are conducted in US dollars. The power of the US dollar internationally is key to America's strength as a country. Geographically, size is another factor contributing to the United States power. The size of the United States of America is enormous. It is the world's fourth largest country, covering 9.83 million square kilometers. The United States is one of the largest country in the Western Hemisphere, which contribute to its national strength. And the final reason, another reason why the United States is the world's most powerful country is the spread of cultural influence. The cultural influence of the United States extends throughout the world. For example, over 2 billion people worldwide speak some English today, with the majority speaking an Americanized version of language. In addition to their influence on the rest of the world, the US has a high demand of its entertainment, such as the US TV show, film, and video game and music have a large domestic market. Friends, please tell me from which country you are watching my video. Friends, thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.